Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Ayesa Khatun, Assistant Teacher in English, Horimon Government High School, Chapainababganj. Welcome to my online class today. Dear learners, I hope all of you are well by the endless mercy of Almighty Allah. I am also well. I think our previous classes have been helpful to you. You should be attentive to these online classes because these are very important and necessary for you. At present, this is the only way of teaching and learning process between the students and the teachers. So you should be serious. As you don't get any chance to ask question, you may face some difficulties. Follow the classes regularly so that you can have solution to your problems. Okay. Well, let's start our class. Today, I am going to discuss the next question item. This is question number 3 in the question paper. Look at the question. Here is a passage for you that has been taken from your textbook. So this is also a same passage. There are 5 gaps for 5 marks. These gaps are A, B, C, D and E. Dear learners, there will be no clue in order to fill in the blanks. So this is a closed test without clue. But if you read the textbook attentively, you can answer these questions correctly. So you have to study and know about the story and the main theme of each lesson, right? Dear students, to write the correct answer to this question, you should have a clear idea about 3 important points. Look at the 3 important points. Number 1, parts of speech. Number 2, sentence structures. And number 3, the rules of word order. The 3 important points you should remember. Dear learners, you should remember that it is a kind of grammar test item. So you need to use an appropriate word according to the context and other grammatical considerations. Okay? The story and the main theme of the lesson will help you to find out the missing word. You need not use the exact or same word that you have read in the textbook. You may use the synonym. Here, you should be very careful of the meaning of the sentence. If you want to use the synonym, you have to notice the parts of speech. You cannot change the part of that word. I hope you have understood. Now, see how you will write the answer in the answer script. arrange A, B, C, D and E in this way and put only the correct word. Let's try to solve this question. Look at the text. Notice the structure of this sentence. Here food is subject, is linking verb, and after linking verb you need a complement. In this sentence an adjective complement is required. In this way you may find out the missing word to complete the sentence. Again try to remember try to remember the story or the theme that you have read in the textbook. About good food you have got a clear idea that food is important for our body. In this way you may also get that expected word to complete the sentence. Now look at these words. Important, necessary, essential. They bear the same meaning and they are adjectives also. So you can use any of these words to make this sentence meaningful. So the answer may be important or necessary or essential. Right. Let's see the next sentence. There is a gap after modal auxiliary verb. You know, after a modal auxiliary verb, a main verb or a principal verb is necessary. So you have to put a main verb to complete the sentence. Again, notice the meaning of the sentence that will help you to choose the right word. From the rest of this sentence, that is the right kind of food so that we can grow well. From this part of the sentence, you can easily guess that if we eat the right kind of food, we can grow well. In this way, you may find out the correct answer. So, use a verb eat, or take, or have to complete it. The answer may be eat or take or have. Look at the last part of this sentence. This is the last part. Keep our body. Here is a gap. You have got a verb keep. Notice the verb keep. You know, this verb is followed by an object. Here is an object, our body, and then a complement to the object is necessary to complete the sense. So you need an adjective complement that gives an extra information about our body. Notice the meaning of the sentence. We eat good or balanced food that gives us energy and makes our body fit or strong or healthy. So you may choose any one of these synonymous words to complete the meaning of this sentence. Fit, strong, or healthy. You can choose any one of these synonymous words. So your passage again you can see. Now see the part of the sentence. Our body needs a certain amount of food. That is, we should not take food as much as we wish. Then we must notice the word overeating. This very word is a significant clue to find out the right word, as overeating is unexpected to our body. Everybody should avoid overeating, that is harmful or detrimental. So we get the answer avoid. For D and harmful. Or detrimental for E. So these are your answers. So study your textbook again and again to get knowledge, to get idea about your story, to answer all these questions. Dear learners, in this situation you have to stay home, so don't kill your time. Study your textbook very attentively. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you everyone.